Hello there and welcome to Year 4's explanation of the current curve target, the 12 times table. The homework sheets for the last couple of terms have looked very similar to this, with activities taken that we sometimes do in class as well. As you can see, I've completed a few of them here and I'll go over them in a bit more detail. So the first one is a number wheel. For this activity, you need to multiply the outer numbers around the circular 12 by the 12 itself. So you can see there on the right, I've done 12 times 6 equals 72. 12 times 7, 84. 12 times 10, 120. And you're to complete the whole wheel. The next activity is quite a simple activity. It's simply the multiplication answers there in order, which makes it somewhat easier. So you can see I've done the first 4 for you, and you have to continue all the way down to 12 times 12, which, to give you a sneaky hint, is 144. The next activity here is to circle multiples of 12. Now, one way we discussed in class that helps us straight away is to only look for the numbers that are even. If the number ends in a 1, 3, 5, 7 or 9, it definitely can't be in the 12s, so you can discount those numbers immediately and then to have a little look at the rest. So I've circled 2 of the numbers that are there for you. This activity here, count on or back in 12s. I've got there the first line completed, so it goes 72, 84, 96, 108 and 120. One hint for you here is none of them are going backwards today. They're all going forwards from the smallest number to the largest number. This activity here is to fill in the missing numbers. Now, when it's a missing number and it's not the answer, you're having to use your division skills there. So you can see 12 times something equals 96. So we need to divide 96 by 12 to get the answer, which in this case is 8. And obviously you need to complete all of those 10 options there available. Now the final question, I'll just zoom out so it can be seen, is sometimes detailed on your sheet as being only to be done if your teacher has asked you to be challenged. Now obviously that doesn't mean you don't have to do it if you feel comfortable and feel able to do it, but sometimes it is there more of a goal challenge for those people who are very, very secure with the particular curve target we're working on. So here it says Harry is buying new tables and chairs. He buys 6 table chairs, a cost of £12 each. Draw a representation of this below before writing out the calculation and finding the answer. So there I've got a little picture of a chair equals 1 chair. So I'll be drawing myself 6 of those chairs with perhaps the number 12 written below there. And then writing out the calculation of 6 times 12 and the final answer. As I've said in previous videos, the sheets will look very similar to this each and every week, but they will have slight differences. But this will give you an idea of what we're expecting. Okay, good luck.